welcome back to my channel. So if you saw the title, I'm finally trying out the Blood Sugar palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. It had sold out and they just finally got a restock, and when they restocked it, I had set an alarm on my phone and I ordered it right away. It arrived and I just am finally getting an opportunity to try this out. This palette is beautiful. First off, this packaging, like, it's got clips to keep it closed, but it is so nice and luxurious feeling. Now when you get in here, there are shades to do neutral looks. There's that pop of color. This is what I have on my eyes today. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. Okay, so to get started, I went ahead and primed my eyelids with my favorite combination, the Too Faced Shadow Assurance and the MAC Pro Longwear Paint Pot in the shade Painterly. I use the Shadow Assurance because I have oily lids and it's got the anti-crease. And then for the Paint Pot, I use it because it actually has pigmentation, which the Shadow Assurance doesn't, but I tend to crease with the Paint Pot. This cancels out the veins that I have, and I have this really dark blue one over here that just always, like, I can always see it. Either it's I can see it or it's just a figment of my imagination, but it's gone for now. And then today I also did not set my eyeshadow primer. I didn't used to set my eyeshadow primer, and then I think about a year ago I started setting it, and it's not that you can't do it, but there's a different pigmentation to your eyeshadows. So I'm going back to how I used to do it and not setting the eyeshadow primer. So I'm first going to go into the shade Tongue Pop and put this into the crease using a Morphe x Jeffree Star JS5. It's just a fluffy crease brush, and I love this one for putting the eyeshadow in the crease. I'm going to go into the shade Fresh Me and put this in the outside corner. I'm going to switch over to my Luxie 213 for more of a detailed, defined outside edge. Next, I'm going to go into the shade Extraction and put this in the outside corner as well, just to deepen it up a little bit. I'm going to go into the shade Sweetener and put that in the middle of the eye. Yes, I love how blendable the Jeffree Star Cosmetics eyeshadows are. Like, it's just so buttery and smooth and so easy to blend. And all I did was tap this on there, tap out the edge with nothing on this finger, and it just brought like that blendability right there. I'm not even gonna have to take that color and bring it back and then chance that it's gonna overpower the gold, but that is just so stunning. I'm going to go into the shade Candy Floss and put this in the inside corner. And I'm just going to use my JS6 from the Morphe x Jeffree Star collection. Same thing, I'm just tapping that finger with nothing on it to blend those two colors. I'm gonna go into the shade Coma and put this in the outside corner. In the Northern Lights palette, I'm gonna go into Thawed Out. I'm gonna put this in the inside corner and the brow bone. That shade Thawed Out is very similar to the color Candy Floss, but it just has more of that like icy highlight, and it catches the light so beautifully. I'm gonna go ahead and finish off my eyes with eyeliner, mascara, and falsies, and I will be right back. Well, you guys, I'm back. I have my eyeliner, mascara, and my Lily lashes on in the style LA. I really like how these are because they're nice and fluffy and full on the outside and get a little bit shorter on the inside, so they look a little more natural, but not completely natural. I also put on a liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Jeffree Who. This is one of the velour liquid lipsticks. I love this shade and it's just so beautiful. It actually really matches the eyes. I wasn't expecting to do bold lips, bold eyes, but whatever, I've done it before. Now, that's it for this video. If you haven't picked up the Blood Sugar palette and you've been thinking about doing it, do it. This is worth it. The eyeshadows blend out beautifully. They're super pigmented. This didn't take a lot of work to get, and I just love how the colors like turned out on my eyes. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe down below. Hit the bell icon next to it for notifications of new videos. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up because it helps me and it lets me know that you guys like this content. And until next time, you guys, bye. And I'll see you in my next video.